Today we are going to solve some exercise using Python. The exercise is focused on lists. However, the first exercise it measures a ticket number. It is lucky or not. The program prompts user to enter a six-digit ticket number. Then it checks the length of the ticket number. It is equal six-digit or not. If the first three digits are equal to the last three digits, as you can see in line 6, it prints yes, ticket is lucky, else it prints ticket is not lucky. However, the length of the ticket number is not 6, it prints or negative, it prints ticket number, invalid ticket number, please enter a 6-digit number. As you can see, also, as you can see, okay, the next exercise is to read a string from right as it reads it from the left. So the program asks a user to enter a string. However, then it checks a string equal to the rotate of the string. If it is, it prints yes, the string is the same from forward to backward. Else, it prints no, string is not the same. Check another sentence. Let's try. Let's check another sentence. Let's check another sentence. Here you can see the start of the string is A and the end is B. The second character is B. The previous character is B. The middle character is C. So it is the string is the same from forward to backward. The last exercise here measures string. It is similar or not similar to each other. So it prompts the user to enter a string. Then it measures the length of the string, then divides the string into two halves. So check the first halves. If it is even number, if a string are symmetric, so the number of characters should be even. And it checks also the first half are equal to the last half. If it yes, it is prints yes, the string is symmetric, else it prints the string is not symmetric. Let's try some strings. Yes, the string is symmetric. Okay, thank you.